Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger keyboard on your Messenger app. All you have to do to fix that problem, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window here and you just go down, then you click here on apps and it's going to take you to apps window and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app. Then you click here on Messenger and it's going to take you to next window. You just click here on force stop and you click here on OK and you go down, then you click here on storage and you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data and you just go to Play Store and search for Messenger app. It's going to show for you and you click on update and it's going to fix your problem. So that's all you have to do to fix that problem you have on your Messenger app. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.